Hi guys, my name is Rajesh, studying in INC University. Now I am going to give a presentation on application of probability and statistics in artificial intelligence. Now let's see what is probability. Probability is the numerical description of how likely a particular event is going to occur, like the changes of something happen. The scale of it usually depends from 0, which is never going to be 1. And now about statistics. Statistics is nothing more than the analysis of an previously existing data, then interruption along a type of graph that will present in many numeric ways. For example, pie chart, bar chart, line graph, or etc. Now we can go back usage of or application of probability and statistics in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence fields can be categorized as learning, problem solving, uncertainty and reasoning, knowledge representation, and communication. Where probability is the art of AI, in sample terms, it's a data source and provides various kinds of data to use in AI application. So that we can draw samples from distributions like normal, Poisson, Bernoulli, binomial distribution. We can generate distributions by using functions and probability concepts. We can build our own distributions and later draw sample for training and testing data sets. Now, applications of statistics in AI is a collection of tools that you can use to get answer to important questions about data. You can use descriptive statistical method to transform raw observations into information that you can understand and share. Statistics is generally considered a prerequisite to the field of applied machine learning also. There are application of statistics and probability in AI used in many areas. For example, now present in test locker, it is more used. Thank you.